Namaste, dear all. Today I am thinking that what is the requirement of these days to make ourselves powerful. Now, every day is coming with a new face and new challenge of life. How to go with it very smoothly and consciously is depend on that what is in your inner being. What is in your mind, inner mind? What is in your inner mind? How is your psychological state of mind? How you are perceiving things? So, how you are perceiving things that make your psychology, and as per that, you assess everything. As per that, you assess everything. People are assessing things in a very different way. As per their psychology, without seeing the truth, and their psychological contents are so many reasons. What is the content of their psychology? See, they have so many reasons. Complaints, judgment, negativity, no creativity, blaming, focus on darkness of life, fear, and only problems. These are the things in their psychology. Whatever their psychology is giving to them, they accept it without looking in and doing wrong assessment on that. If they really see consciously, they will find that their every psychological assessment is saying that there are so many things lacking in their being. There are so many things are lacking in their being. If they fulfill all that lackings, if they fulfill all that lackings, everything will be get done very well. Remedy is there itself. They have to see, feel, and assess things in the basis of truth and do things in the right direction, right perception, focus on what to do in a right direction. Discrimination, have a discrimination, what to do, what to not do, and then do things. Everything is possible. Not possible is only their perception. And if you consciously think that, you will get that divine is giving one more part in your being. Divine is giving a life of philosophy for you, which is basis on truth, integrity, unification, commitment, right attitude, togetherness, helping each other. If you see in a very deeper sense of all these things, you will find that there is a completely new life is waiting for you, which goes towards beautiful harmony and divinity. Everything is possible there. Only need is that you have to convert your every psychological assessment into a philosophical assessment. How? Have a right attitude. See the integrity of the things. When something is coming before you, you see each and every part of that thing. If I do this part, that what is happen with that another part, and what is the repercussion of that thing, and what I want, and whatever repercussion is coming, that I need to what I want, not opposite of that. So you integrate everything in a right manner. Then see whatever requirement in that place is a requirement of helping other person, you help. Just keep your ego aside. Help that person, because that is a very important part of there now. Always focus on togetherness. Always focus on unification. You should not do things that is making a partition uh, in a word, in a person, in your thinking. So everything has to be towards unification. Take a commitment for always for right action. You have to make a commitment, like no backing. When you are taking commitment, then no backing. Everything is done already in an energy plane. So commit, no backing. So commit for a right action. Commit for right attitude. Commitment for the positivity of life. Commitment for learning. And when you see all these things, and when you actually doing implementation of all these things, then you will see immediately that your life is changing. This world is changing. This world is taking a different shape, a beautiful shape, where everybody is happy, everybody is getting everything, everybody is in their freedom, everybody have freedom, and everybody is doing things in the right way. And all these problems, so-called problems, will vanish, and you will have always solution. you will have always a beautiful inner energy, and all unwanted forces is going away from you, because you are vibrating in a very beautiful higher vibration. So there is no space for any negative or lower vibration in your life, and slowly, every negative vibration will go away from this world, and really, a beautiful new real world is coming to us. So you have to only focus, and you have to use your power of convert everything. You convert everything in a right direction. You convert everything towards what you want, not in what you don't want. See a thing and pick up only positivity, pick up only goodness of life, and your life become a beautiful, harmonious, divine life. Thank you so much.